loose shirt with you. I've got a Yale 500 blue belt lock taken apart here. Already picked it, and I wanted to just talk about it for a minute. The first time I filmed this yesterday. The first time I picked it on film, it took me 11 minutes to pick it. I don't know how long it took me this time, but it was a much reduced amount because I understand what's going on now. Let me talk to you about this lock. It's pretty cool. It's reminiscent of a V18, gold V18, or any of the higher security locks that have counter milling. You can see it quite well here. But what's happening is both the standard and the key pins and the drivers have a bevel on top of. Let's see if I can get it a little closer. On top right there, both the standard one and the spools. And what happens is you pick the spool or the standard and you think you've picked it, but it's actually sitting right there in that counter milling. So you have to pick it out. So right now I'm holding a little pressure towards this finger, and it's just, the pin is actually just sitting there. If I let go, you can tell. And it causes a taper effect, right? So you pick a couple of them and a couple of the other ones keep dropping back down. I'd also like to mention the first two pins are steel, so you got a little drill protection in there. I did another video today on the 500 Plus, which is the skeletonized version of this lock, and I think it's the newer version that Yale's gone to. I think they're saving on brass, and also they don't put counter milling in. Much easier pick. But the 500, the older 500s, I think is a really good introduction to the blue level, and a good pick. What did I use? Well, I used a couple of picks, but mainly I used the Law Lock Tools really low profile pick to get in off of this, or get up right onto this warding right here, and lift each pin into the counter milling, and then go back and pick them out from there. So really neat lock. If you get a chance, get one of these, because they're just a really fun pick. And it'll well, at least for me, it really threw me a little bit when I first took a look at it or tried to pick it, because wow, that counter milling is very effective. Anyway, the actual pick will be up next. Here we go. See ya. Hey, I've got this loose shirt. I've got a Yale 500. It's a blue belt lock. Couldn't show you. So, even though you'd think those first two are pretty low, I guess they are, but you can still pick off this shelf. Here. This lock has counter milling. Let's see, a standard in one, and 4 spools in the other. So I'm just going to try to go down, come on up from the back, and lift everything a little bit. because you have to get them into the overmilling and then pick them out. Kind of like a V18. Oh, not super precise at this point. Ugh. I'm going to take a Oki poignant number 4. Go up from the bottom. Test. 1 is loose. 2 feels okay. 3 feels okay. 4. Okay. 5. Gotta click out of it. 5 feels set. 4. Feels set. 3. Click. 2. Okay. 1. Floppy. Oh, I just dropped. 4. Probably 5. It's 5, 4, 3 feel better. 2 is a spool. And it's not up high enough. That's better. It was 5. Test again. Feels okay. 4 feels okay. 3 feels okay. 2 is not high enough. 4 is better. Come up a little bit. Gotta be careful. Not too much tension here because I'll break my pick. Doing longs here. Trying to get them out of the milling at this point. Okay, number 1. I don't know if you could see, but just got a little bit of rotation. I'm in more of a false set. Touching 1. So 1 is set. 2 feels set. 3. It's kind of rotating. 2. Where I lost. 4. False set again. So at that point, I was just trying to get them out of the counter milling. Pretty decent little lock. Let's go ahead and take it apart. There is a brass C-clip on the back. And unlike the Yale 500 Plus, which is skeletonized, this one has a solid cylinder and it doesn't need to be shinned. See that down in there? Pretty good there. See how far down those pins are up front? You'd think that they could be a lot higher up. At least I did. I think I'll make an introduction. So I'll just dump these real quick and we'll talk about it more in the introduction. So standard spool, spool, and spool. That's the Blue Belt Yale 500 Plus. Thanks for watching. See ya. Leave a comment.